Grill brushes are a must-have accessory for any backyard barbecue enthusiast. There are many products available to choose grill brushes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best grill brushes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart CCB 5014 BBQ Grill Cleaning Brush. The Cuisinart Stainless Steel Grill Cleaning Brush is a 16.5-inch long brush made from stainless steel with stainless steel bristles that can be used alone or as part of the matching collection. It has a comfortable grip handle and a stainless steel scraper at the end of the brush to help remove tough debris from the grates. The brush is designed at an angle to reach over the grill and clean the grates thoroughly. The durable design means it can withstand the toughest scrubbing after use, and is easy to clean with a rinse underwater and scrub with a sponge if necessary. Number 2. Grillart Grill Brush and Scraper Bristle-Free. The bristle-free grill brush and scraper is a safer and faster option for cleaning grills. It has no wire bristles that could melt or be accidentally swallowed, making it 100% safe. The wide scraper makes cleaning faster, and the 125% more flexible helix enables it to clean all types of grills effectively. It is durable with a 120% more rigid triple helix and an 18-inch tough plastic handle. This safe grill brush comes with a lifetime guarantee, and the user can receive a full refund or a satisfactory replacement at any time. Number 3. Simpletist Grill Brush. The Simpletist Grill Brush and Scraper is a durable and efficient tool for cleaning your grill. It features stainless steel bristles and scrapers that are powerful for removing stains and stubborn residues, as well as an upgraded stainless steel scraper to prevent rust. The brush head wire is thickened and strengthened, and the brush head part is made of high-temperature resistant materials. The brush also comes with a replaceable head and a lightweight wooden handle with a hanging loop. It is ideal for all types of grill. Number 4. Grillart Grill Brush and Scraper. Grillart BBQ Brush is a heavy-duty grill cleaning tool that can efficiently and comprehensively clean your gas, infrared, charcoal, or porcelain grill. Its round head brush has bristles facing every direction, allowing you to clean the grill top, sides, and bottom with just a few strokes. The brush also has a heavy-duty scraper that can easily remove stubborn residual without scratching your expensive grill. The deluxe handle with a strengthening ring can withstand great pressure, and the ergonomic and anti-slip handle grip can fully utilize your muscle force on the grate. Additionally, the larger hanging ring is convenient to hang up the grill brush anywhere. Made of stainless steel, this grill brush is sturdy and built to last for years without deformation or splitting. Number 5. Grill Rescue BBQ Replaceable Scraper Cleaning Head. The Grill Rescue BBQ Replaceable Scraper Cleaning Head is a professional-grade grate cleaner that uses steam to clean and wipe away grime. The heat-resistant, sturdy, cooking-grade plastic handle makes it perfect for any occasion. The cleaning head is durable and dishwasher and washing machine safe. This bristle-free grill scraper is safe to use on almost any grill type, including porcelain, ceramic cast iron, or stainless steel grates. It is effortless to use with easy 3-step instructions. Grill Rescue.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.